Hello guys, my name is Joseph AGK OG. Today I'm going to present a lecture for my children's series. This lecture is strictly for children. Our topic today is whole numbers in standard form. Basically, this topic will show how to write whole numbers in standard form and also how to write whole numbers in expanded form. Okay? Now let us begin. This is the working rule. When you want to write whole number in standard form, this is the rule right here. The rule says to write whole number in standard form, write the number in each period followed by a comma. Okay? So the way I explain it, I will usually do write it and then write the numbers separately and then add them together. That is another way of doing it. Let's try some examples here. It says here, write each number in standard form. The first number is 95. So look at what I normally do. I will type in here 90, okay, plus 5, and that will give us 95. See? So, because 95 is made up of 90 and 5, so that will give us 95. And that's why I write it in that form. Especially if you are solving a problem and your teacher wants you to show your work for this particular question. This is how you do it. Okay? The next number here is 766. 766. So I'm going to write it in this form: 700 plus 66. And that gives me equals 766. See? Very easy. Am I right? Okay. So this is what we call a standard form. 95. I'm going to make it red color and make it bold. And 766, it is now in standard form. Let's try one example that is more challenging, like 6,432. So to do this, I'm going to write here 6,000. Okay. Next is the 400. So I'm going to write 400. Okay. And last is 32. So I'm going to write here 32. We add all of them together. That will give us 6,000. Okay. Let me show you how you can add it in a calculator, or not even a calculator. Let me show you here. See, 0 plus 0 plus 2 will give us what? Number 2. Okay. Now 0 plus 0 plus 3 give us 3. Okay. 4 plus 0 give us 4. Okay. And nothing here for 6, so just put 6 right there. And that is our answer right there. It is now in standard form. I hope that makes sense. So this is how you write the numbers in standard form. Okay, you can see a little bit of it. 95 becomes 95. 766 becomes 766. Then 6,432 becomes 6,432. So in some countries, writing numbers in standard form, it means writing them in figures. So they use that word figures instead of standard form in some countries, you know. Okay, so now I have explained to you how to write a number in standard form. Next thing we're going to cover is how to write the numbers in expanded form. In expanded form. Let's try this example here. It says to write this number in expanded form. So the rule here is simple. Now write the numbers, that is each digit with its place value. That is the rule. If you're asked to write a number in expanded form, now you write each digit of the number with its place value. We have an example here, 5,672 in expanded form. Okay, they want you to write it in expanded form. This digit here represents the 5,000 digits. It is in the thousand unit. Let me show you what I mean by that. If you're counting from the back, from the right to the left, this is the ones, this is the tens, this is hundreds, this is the thousands. See? So that means this 5 is in the 1,000 digits. So I see 5,000 right here. Okay? The 6 is in the 100 units. You can see 600 right here. Let me see if you can see it. Okay. Yeah, you can see 600 right here. This 7 is in the tens unit, tens place. You can see right here. And the 2 is in the ones place. You can see it right here. So now it is not in expanded form. 5,000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 2. Okay? Number is now in expanded form. Okay? Let's try another example. It says here, write 3,557 in expanded form. So I'm going to write it here so you can see the steps. Oh, I think I did it already. Now let me make it bigger. So you can see right here, this 7 is, if you count from the right to the left, you see this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So this 7 is in the 700,000 units place. This 0 is just a placeholder, so we are not worried about it. And 3 is in the 1,000 units, so it becomes 3,000. 5 is in the 100 units, so it becomes 500. 5 is in the tens unit, it becomes 50. And 7 is in the ones unit, it becomes just 7. Okay? Yeah. Now, we can also use tables to organize and display facts that involve numbers. Let me put it in a different way. Knowing how to write numbers in standard form and in expanded form leads us to reading tables. So let's look at one example. Look at this table right here. It's asking us, how many gold medals did the United States win during the 2012 Summer Olympic Games? Okay? To answer this, we look at the table right here. See, this is United States right here. You can see USA right here. and this is the gold, the 146. So the answer becomes what? The answer becomes 46 gold medal, which means that the United States won 46 gold medals during the 2012 Summer Olympic Games. Okay. Now this concludes our lecture today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications each time there is a new lecture available. Thank you, and I will see you in my next lecture. Bye-bye.